Look closely at your business. Strip away the titles, the marketing language, and the daily hustle. Ask yourself one brutal question. Does your business operation look like a one man show? Most entrepreneurs believe that building a business means doing everything themselves. They wear their exhaustion like a badge of honor. But on the other side of the screen, your prospective clients, your investors, and your market see right through it. They don't see an enterprise, they see a freelancer trapped inside a loop of their own time. True scale doesn't come from working harder, it comes from partnership. Think about the largest corporate shifts. When Disney partnered with Pixar, they didn't just combine resources, they combined storytelling with technology to build a multi-billion-dollar monopoly. The lesson? True partnerships don't just add resources, they multiply your impact. The choice is yours. You can keep hustling along, or you can begin building a framework that scales.